Welcome to camelbacktrading.org. This is the review of June 8th, 2026. Using our proprietary Camelback TradingView market profile, let's review today's price action and look at what is ahead for tomorrow. If you want the complete written report, the full strategic plan for next session, and all the specific key levels we are tracking, make sure to head over to our Substack publication right now to get the full plan. The market opened inside Friday's value, which typically makes trading choppy and difficult. While we experienced decent ranges, the massive size of Friday's true range meant both ES and NQ ended up as inside days, spending the majority of the session with unchanged value. There was some clear divergence between the two indices. ES ended as a neutral extreme day to the downside, taking out both initial balances and closing below the IB low. NQ, however, traded near the lower end of its range but managed to finish by taking the IB high, showing a slightly bullish MGI score. Because both were inside days, we don't consider this a definitive win for either buyers or sellers. We are now treating this context as a 2-day balance on the daily time frame, with the balance high marked at Friday's high and the balance low at Friday's low. Zooming out to the bigger picture, the weekly time frame is in balance, and the monthly trend is still up. At best, this setup gives the bulls an opportunity to take out Friday's high to shift the daily time frame back to the upside. It's highly possible they simply allowed the weekly time frame to fall into balance last Friday to release built-up pressure, but we have to take it one day at a time to see how this 2-day balance resolves. Heading into tomorrow, both ES and NQ are carrying over a 9-wide point of control and an afternoon rally high. For ES, the disconnect from NQ and that close below the IB low signals a mildly bearish tone. If sellers want to follow through on this intent, they need to gain acceptance below today's value area low. They can lean defensively on today's point of control and the afternoon rally high. Their ultimate goal is to break the daily balance low, shift the daily trend back to down, and then target the weekly balance low alongside the Globex monthly low. Conversely, the bulls need to win value by getting above today's value area high. They have a tough job ahead of them. They must chew through 2 open sets of single prints from Friday before they can even attempt to take Friday's high. Over on NQ, the action was slightly more bullish, but the market is heavily trapped between Friday's lower and upper distributions. This compression has to break. If sellers gain acceptance below today's value area low, they will look to target Friday's low to put the daily trend down, just like ES. To do this, they'll first have to chew through today's overnight 16-wide point of control before they can test that daily balance low. If the buyers step up to defend the daily balance low, they need to push price above today's value area high, attack the final set of single prints from Friday, and start climbing toward Friday's high of day. Inside days require extreme patience. We are sitting dead in the middle of a 2-day balance. Wait for acceptance outside of today's value. Watch how the market handles the anomalies, and let the market profile and the MGI guide your setups. Don't start your morning with a bias. Let the data guide you. Remember, if you are going to buy an account with Tradeify, use code CB2724 and help us donate to St. Jude's Hospital, 20% this time. Be safe and trade well.